Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what we had for dinners last week. This has been a really highly requested video from you guys, so I'm very excited to be able to share that with you today. And this is also going to be in collaboration with my friend Samantha from Mama Approved. I love her channel. She is so sweet. She is also a mom to 3 little boys, just like I am. And I don't think I ever told her this, but I actually used to watch her channel all the time before I even started my YouTube channel. So I'm pretty excited to go ahead and be doing this collaboration with her. So definitely go check out her video as soon as you are done watching mine. I will link it in the description box below. So definitely go check that out and get a few more meal ideas. And if you are new to my channel or coming over from Samantha's channel, welcome. I am so excited to have you. My name is Amanda. I am a stay-at-home mom to 3 little boys. I do all kinds of videos on my channel. I do cleaning, cooking, hauls, grocery hauls, anything mommy lifestyle. It will probably end up on my channel at some point. So definitely stick around if you like those kind of videos. And let's go ahead and get on into what we made for dinner last week. So on Monday, we just had some grilled chicken, and I just went ahead and seasoned that with the 21 seasoning Salute from Trader Joe's, and then I roasted up some broccoli and had strawberries on the side. On Tuesday, we just had some chicken lick and pasta, and I've filmed a video for this before. It is such a delicious and easy meal to make. So we just had that pasta along with a side salad with some pepperoni peppers. They are my favorite thing to top my salads with. They make it so crunchy and delicious. And then we had a berry smoothie on the side. On Wednesday, we just had some wonton tacos. These are always a favorite in our house, so I just made our wonton tacos, and I topped them with a little bit of cheese, some lettuce, tomatoes, and Greek yogurt. I also just heated up some corn, and we had a green smoothie as well. For myself, I decided to have a taco salad on this night, so I just did the same thing in a big taco salad. On Thursday, we had breakfast for dinner. This is also a highly requested meal in our house. So I just made some scrambled eggs with some spinach and turkey. And then I also roasted up some veggies, and I just used whatever veggies we had in our house at the time, and I seasoned those with the 21 seasoning Salute from Trader Joe's. And then I made some waffles using the Kodiak cake mix, and I also topped those with some berries. And we had several of our cousins from Montana come visit, so this was such a fun meal to have with everyone. Friday is always our pizza and movie night, and we love making naan bread pizza, so that is exactly what we had this week. So we just had some mini naan bread pizzas. For the boys, we just made pepperoni pizzas, and for my husband and I, we used up some of the extra taco meat, and we made some taco pizzas as well. And then we had a side salad and a peach smoothie. On Saturday, we usually have leftovers, but we actually did not have any leftovers this week because we had family in town, and so I just made some grilled cheese sandwiches because we were out in the yard all day long, and it was just really quick to throw on some grilled cheese sandwiches. And I just made the grilled cheese sandwiches with some turkey as well as some spinach to kind of like up the nutrition value a little bit, and then we had a side salad and a green smoothie as well. On Sunday, we just had some cabbage soup, and this is another really delicious and easy recipe to make, so you should definitely check it out. And then I also just had some pineapple slices on the side along with some bread and jam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing what we had for dinners this week. Don't forget to check out Mama Approves video as well. She will have an entire week's worth of meals for inspiration for you guys. So definitely go check that out. And do not forget to subscribe down below if you are not already, and also follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.